It's very easy to duplicate objects or patterns within the Scan and Cut DX internal software. You simply have the object that you want selected, click Object Edit, and then click the plus icon at the top of the screen. Increase the number to however many you want, and then you'll move each one to its appropriate place on the cutting mat. Don't forget that there are alignment tools and arrangement tools available, and you can obviously use those to your advantage. More about those later. This duplication tool works the same no matter whether you have a single object selected or multiple objects selected.